Hello, Fiona, my Afolabi. Flower, my flower. What the?
Flower, my flower, baby.
Hi guys, it's Afolabi and welcome to my vlog. And today we are going to be going back to the 90s or probably the 80s where stuff like this exists. But interestingly, we will be doing it with a smartphone, and I will be unboxing this on my channel today. So stay close. So we have with me the retro phone, and this is probably what you know as an old school phone, but today it works with a smartphone. As you all know, let me quickly run through the specs of this phone, but unfortunately the specs are written in French, Italian, German, and I don't understand any of these languages, but I'm going to use the icons on the pack to just show you what this device is made of. Right here, I know it has a 3.5mm earphone jack. It works with Skype, it works with your phone, but that aside, I think it's a pretty simple device. Let's get to the unboxing of the device. Where is the money? I think this looks good for me. This has the volume button. This is the up volume and the down volume, and it also has, I think this is to end the call. What this is mostly useful for is probably I want to make a Skype call, or I'm busy at my desk in the office. I can connect it to my smartphone and just make the calls like this. I can give this to my customer service agent. Will it work? Like we have a call. Let me connect it. So let's say we have a call. Good morning, Mr. Oh God, this looks good anyways, but I don't think I will be moving around with this. I will try to make a call with this right now. Just hold on. Oh, this looks. Hello, Gabriel. What's up, Shoti Daily? How was the journey? Oh, great. That makes sense. Yeah, I'll call you back later. Yeah, thanks. That is it. This is me making a call with a retro phone. Will I use this for my day-to-day activity? Probably not. Will I use it when I'm busy? Probably I'm on my computer, I'm trying to make some document work and I have a call. I could probably just, hello? We also use stuff like this. This costs $3, right? So anybody can get it and you can just flex your muscle with it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section and also like this video. Thank you.